Alright, what's up, y'all? In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make $300 within a Temu app. By saying $300, I meant to say if you share to your friends and share to friend and family, to every single phone to in your family. By putting the work, this is how you guys can achieve $300 in one day. Alright, I already done it once, so you guys can do it too. So without further ado, go ahead and click the link. Use my link for 30% off anything you purchase within the Temu app. Just make sure you use my code. The link will be down below. Just click on it, so you should accept it, the code, and you can basically buy anything on it. Without further ado, let me go ahead and show you guys how to make this $300 within one day. So first, what you want to do, you're going to want to go ahead and hit this person icon right here. And go ahead and click. If you're a campus ambassador or not, I'm pretty sure this is only for campus ambassador. If you're not a campus ambassador, make sure you check my other videos out, so you guys can join the program. How to. So basically, you're going to want to go ahead and click on campus ambassador. As you see, I already done it once. I have $21 on hold, which means I'm just waiting to be on hold, and that should withdraw it. So first, what you want to do, you're going to want to go ahead and click. So you see every 10 refers you made to your friends, you get paid. So basically, what I want to do right now, you're gonna click earn 25. All right, so if you don't want to earn 25, you can go ahead and click earn 130. All right, click here, and from here you can just click copy link and send that link to your friends. When you send that link to your friends, that way you guys, when they click it, and keep in mind you're gonna need to share to 160 friends to your friends, so that way you get to make that $130 a day. If I was you guys, I wouldn't be struggling like this. If financially, I would be sharing my link out there in public with people, Walmart or something like that. But other than that, you guys can click. If you wanna get 20, if you wanna send it to 20 friends, and each one of them click it, you get to, you feel me? So basically, you click on it, you copy link, you send it to them, they accept it, they click on it, boom, you get a one refer. You copy again, you send it to another one, boom. Once they click on it, they accept it, you get another referral. This how you can make $300 a day just using Temu, guys. But other than that, I'm pretty sure this will be it for the video. If you guys have any question whatsoever, hit me up, and I'll be glad to help you guys out. And other than that, I'll catch you guys later. And don't forget to subscribe, so that way I get to so that way I can know, you guys get to see, you guys get to know, to see when is the next rolling out cash is, and I'll keep you guys updated. Make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram, by the way. My Instagram will be down below, and make sure you guys just click on it, accept the link, and follow me on Instagram, so that way you guys can keep in touch with me. And I'll always send it to my Instagram. And without further ado, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.